guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening Hello Kitty stuff. We're going to be making Bilbo Creation Kit. It's deluxe. So we're going to be making bows today. It's the front of the box. 1, 2. And this is the back of the box. Let's open it. Wow. All these ribbons. Look. Look at these. All these ribbons. Let's open the ribbons. So cool. So cool. Look at all the ribbons. Look at all these ribbons. They're like so cute. There's like so much. So like just put it here because it's so good. There's also this lace. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. This is so cute. I think this is gonna put in the front of the ribbon. Now let's unpack this. I don't know what this is, but we'll just open it. These are the jewels. Those jewels. There's those jewels. Some of these are supposed to stick. There's like these stickers on the back of them. And there's like this flower. And then there is Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Then there's this headband. And then there's this head clip, I think. Then there's this like brush. Then there's this button, Hello Kitty button. Second Hello Kitty button. I can't pop it out, so we're not going to pop it out. And these are other. Jenny. These are like, I don't know what these are, but these are things. There's like these. There's like great colors. And then there's this. I think you have to like do this. But I'll just check the thing out. I think this is a replication. You can take the lace out. I'm not going to take it out. No. Now I think I know how to do this. We're going to use our imagination. And we're going to like make it so pretty. I think we're going to like do whatever. Use our imagination. Don't fail. I'm not taking these out. Let's check. Where's the, oh, here. We need this thing Actually, we'll pick one lace first. Pick one. Okay, take this. And then, and we're going to pick this. No, this. Jenny. Okay, wait. Let me just fold it. Make it like smaller because it's too big. Okay, now we're going to make this one like smaller too. Let me check this bow. We need to make it thinner, like this. Whatever. We just have to make it work. That's all it matters. Now we put it. Now we're going to fold it. Now I'm going to put like the pink one on the bottom of there. Let me check if it is right. Yes. Actually, no. We need to put the bigger one here and the smaller one. We take this out first. Put here, and then put like a tiny one here. Then we put our bow in here. Let me check this bow out. No way. I put it wrong. No, the top one is the bottom one is supposed to be on the top. Never mind. Now there's like this hole in here, we gotta put it in this hole. Wait. I'm just somehow gonna fit it in here. I think it's like good. Now I'm gonna. No. We need it. Where's the baby? Never mind. Thank you. I'm gonna need another one. It's so funny. I think ours is. I think I made mine too. Okay. We did it! Now it's gonna just take this out. Let's put a Let's put this Hello Kitty here. And now we're finished. Bye guys! See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye!